Apple is in trouble, and not the kind that shows up on a cracked screen. Its long-awaited leap into AI, branded as Apple Intelligence, is facing backlash, delays, and a growing sense of disappointment. While OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft race ahead, Apple is playing catch-up and stumbling hard. What's really going on behind the scenes at Cupertino? And can Apple bounce back before it loses its AI crown forever? Let's rewind. Google launched Gemini. Microsoft embedded Copilot into Windows. Apple, radio silence until WWDC 2024, when Apple Intelligence finally took the stage. Integrated into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, Apple promised enhanced Siri, Genmoji, image tools, and smarter notifications, all while keeping everything private with on-device AI. But the rollout? A mess. The iPhone 16's release in late 2024 revealed half-baked features. Siri still felt outdated. Notification summaries got facts wrong. And core AI tools, like App Control or Context-Aware Siri, were delayed. Apple Intelligence didn't just stumble out of the gate. It barely walked. So, what's behind this AI failure? First, Apple started late. While competitors spent billions on LLMs and cloud GPUs, Apple stayed quiet, betting on privacy-first AI. But there's a trade-off. On-device AI is efficient, but not powerful enough to match GPT-4 or Gemini. Second, Siri's ancient codebase is a nightmare. Built over a decade ago, it's incompatible with today's AI models. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman says the integration is so complex that major features are now delayed to 2026. Third, the features themselves? Underwhelming. Genmoji is fun, sure. But where's the game-changing tech? Visual intelligence only works on the newest iPhone. And even writing tools feel like glorified autocorrect. Fast forward to 2025. Apple is banking everything on the iPhone 17 and iOS 26. Live translation, upgraded visual intelligence, and the full Siri overhaul were teased at WWDC 2025, but insiders say many features are still in flux. Meanwhile, Google's Gemini is powering real-time workflows. OpenAI's ChatGPT is dominating user tasks. Even Amazon's Alexa is smarter. Ex-users are calling Apple Intelligence a beta test at best, and that's generous. Investors are nervous too. Apple stock dipped post-WWDC, and critics are drawing comparisons to Microsoft's clunky past, saying Apple is reacting instead of leading. Apple's not sitting idle. They've partnered with OpenAI, embedding ChatGPT into Siri and writing tools. There are whispers of acquiring Perplexity or Mistral. And the new foundation models framework lets developers build AI tools using Apple's on-device stack. The iPhone 17 Air is designed for AI, with the A19 chip and no charging port. But if the AI isn't ready, that design gamble could backfire. Even more interesting, Apple Vision Pro and global language support are expanding. But all of this hinges on Apple finally delivering the full AI experience it promised. Apple has a history of arriving late and dominating anyway. Think iPhone. Think Apple Watch. But with generative AI, the stakes are higher, the competitors faster, and the users less patient. If Apple Intelligence continues to lag, even the most loyal iPhone users might start looking elsewhere. The next 1 month will decide everything. Is Apple still the leader or already a follower? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated on the AI race.